Welcome to this week's AI Agent News segment on the A with A&A podcast by Magnitude Minds. I'm Alex, your host, and with me is Ada, our AI expert. Each week, we dive into the latest developments shaping the future of AI agents and autonomous systems. From breakthrough announcements to enterprise adoption stories, we'll break down what these developments mean for businesses and professionals navigating the AI landscape. Ada, what's the big story this week?
This week, Oracle just launched new AI agents within its Fusion Cloud applications and introduced the Oracle Fusion Applications AI Agent Marketplace. This is a significant move to accelerate how businesses adopt AI.
An AI agent marketplace sounds like a big step. What does that mean for companies looking to use these agents, and are we seeing others join in?
It means businesses can now find pre-vetted agents, making procurement much simpler. IBM also just announced new AI agents that are available on this marketplace, signaling a strong push towards commercializing these tools.
So, it's not just about making agents available, but making them useful and proven. Are we seeing any concrete examples of the impact these agents are having in businesses?
Absolutely. Workday recently shared measurable results from their deployed agents. They reported contract execution time was cut by more than half, personnel changes were drastically reduced, and they saved up to 900 hours each year through automated audits.
Those are impressive numbers. It sounds like these agents are moving beyond just being experimental tools. Can you give a specific example of how a company is benefiting?
General Motors, for instance, achieved a large reduction in screening time using Workday's recruiter agent. These concrete outcomes provide critical proof points for businesses considering AI agent investments.
That kind of real-world impact must require robust infrastructure. Is there any news on the foundational support for this growth?
Yes, NVIDIA recently deepened its collaboration with Oracle to accelerate sovereign AI initiatives and enterprise AI and data processing. This underscores the significant infrastructure investments supporting this expansion.
It really highlights how AI agents are transitioning from experimental tools to production-ready business solutions. This shift addresses a key challenge for businesses, understanding the practical value and deployment pathways for AI agents.
Exactly. The focus is now firmly on real-world results and specialized solutions.
Beyond these marketplaces and proven returns, how are AI agents becoming more adaptable and intelligent for specific business needs?
Anthropic just unveiled Skills for Claude this week, a new feature allowing enterprise users to create custom, task-specific AI agents. This modular approach lets Claude dynamically load relevant instructions and resources for specialized tasks.
That sounds like it makes Claude much more flexible without needing a complete overhaul. But with so many custom agents, how do we ensure they're all performing reliably and consistently?
That's where evaluation comes in. A new RRCIV paper, 325-10-13977, Holistic Agent Leaderboard, just introduced a standardized evaluation framework for AI agents. This aims to provide deeper, more consistent insights into agent performance.
So, it's about creating a common way to measure how well agents are doing. Are there other advancements in how agents are being tested or trained for complex situations?
Meta AI also just introduced Agents Research Environments, or ARE, and Gaia 2 for evaluating AI agents in dynamic, event-driven conditions. They also recently published research on reward-free training for language agents, reportedly surpassing traditional imitation learning methods.
That's a lot of research pushing the boundaries of agent capability. With agents becoming more capable and integrated, what about the critical aspects of security and governance?
That's a major focus. Viva Systems just announced that Viva AI agents are planned for availability starting December, integrating them across all their applications. This shows a comprehensive, vertical-specific rollout strategy.
So, as agents become deeply embedded in operations, security must be paramount. What are major platform providers doing on that front?
Microsoft recently detailed new Copilot and agentic experiences for securing AI agents on Windows. This proactive approach highlights the industry's recognition of the security challenges inherent in autonomous AI.
It's good to see security being addressed proactively. But beyond technical security, there's also the broader conversation around responsible deployment and ethical considerations.
An article on Just Security recently highlighted the urgent need for stakeholders to leverage existing legal and normative tools to ensure AI agents serve humanity responsibly. It emphasizes governing AI agents globally.
These developments signal a maturing industry that's not only focused on innovation, but also on establishing necessary guardrails for safe, secure, and ethically sound AI agent integration.
Exactly. It's about building trust as these systems become more powerful.
And as the industry matures, how is the development of these agents becoming more accessible to a wider range of creators?
Kong just released Volcano, a TypeScript-based SDK for building AI agents. This open-source SDK supports standardized agent development, which is crucial for a growing ecosystem.
An open source SDK helps developers, but what about those without deep coding expertise? Is there anything making agent creation even more accessible?
Bubble just launched the Bubble AI Agent, a no-code tool designed for generating and editing UI elements in applications. This significantly lowers the barrier to entry for agent creation.
That's a huge step towards democratizing agent development. And we're seeing agents applied in novel ways too, right?
Yes, Tether recently open-sourced its wallet development kit designed for both humans and AI agents to build self-custodial wallets across multiple blockchains, showcasing the expanding utility of agents. Also, LangChain v1 just became generally available, a significant milestone for the agent development ecosystem.
It sounds like there's a real community effort to foster innovation and establish best practices. Are there specific events or initiatives driving this?
The Open Source AI Week is taking place this week, including the Open Agent Summit, which focuses on multi-agent collaboration, tooling, and standards. This shows a vibrant ecosystem focused on accelerating agent development and promoting interoperability.
So, from enterprise adoption and measurable impact to advanced customization, robust evaluation, and a strong focus on security and governance, it's clear that AI agents are rapidly evolving. The push for democratized development and open standards also means more people can participate in shaping this future.
That's right. We're seeing a clear movement towards practical, specialized, and responsibly built AI agents that are becoming more accessible to businesses and developers alike.
And that concludes this week's AI Agent News segment on the A with ANA Podcast by Magnitude Minds. The pace of innovation in AI agents continues to accelerate, and we'll be here every week to help you stay informed and ahead of the curve. For more insights on how these developments can benefit your business, visit us at magnitudeminds.com and keep an eye on our social channels for updates on our community initiatives. Got a question about AI agents or want to share your own AI implementation story? Reach out to us. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you next week with more AI agent news and insights.